What is up, everybody? My name is Daisha and I do makeup, and in today's video we are going to do a soft pastel spring makeup look today because spring is here and I am so happy. I'm honestly just excited that winter is over.
I hate winter. It is my least favorite season.
And spring is here and all the flowers are back, and I'm just reminded of so many beautiful colors. So guys, check out the nails. Okay, the butterfly came off of this one, but look at these. I did them myself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I do uploads every single Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern time, so don't forget to stay tuned so you don't miss an upload. And let's go ahead and jump right into this makeup look, and we are going to go ahead and start with our base right after the brows. Alright guys, just like we would start any other makeup look, we have to use some primer so we can get it ready for our foundation. So I used the e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer and the e.l.f. Halo Glow Foundation. And I just put that all over my face, and then I blend that out with a brush. And immediately after that, I do my contour with the Fentybeauty Cream Contour, and I love using this stuff. And right after the contour, we use concealer. So I go ahead and put this on my chin, the bridge of my nose, on my jaw, and on my forehead. And don't forget to spray with setting spray right before you blend it out. Now it's time for the powder. So first I'm going to be using this Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder, and I basically use that in all the areas where I put on concealer. So as you can see, I put it underneath my eyes, on my forehead, and on my jaw. And then this one is a darker color, and I use that on all the areas where you can see my foundation, just so it can match that. And guys, since we are doing a eyeshadow look today, make sure you have eyeshadow primer. Next up, I'm going to bake my face, and I love baking. I just can't say that enough. I do it underneath my eyes on both sides, and then I brush it off after 5 minutes. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be moving on to my eyelids. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So as you can see, my eyes are already primed. I'm going to be going in with nudish color right here, and then I'm going to transition into a blue. And I'm also going to be using this as a glitter topper, and I'm going to be using some pinks from both of the palettes. So let's go ahead and jump right into the eye look, and I'm really excited. So guys, here you can see me using that nudish color I was talking about, and exactly after that I'm going to be using this pink color. I know I said blue, but I meant pink, but here is where I'm developing that pink more, and here is where the blue gets a little bit too much, guys. That blue is like yelling at me, so I had to calm it down a little bit. So I kind of made it a little bit lighter. And honestly guys, at first I wasn't totally loving this look because the eyeshadow didn't really come out how I wanted it to. But in the end, after I added the rhinestones and all of that, it really pulled this look together. So guys, remember, it's the little details that can really make your makeup look transform from one thing to another, and keep persevering because it'll look really nice. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have decided to add some gemstones. It's from this kit that I bought on Amazon. I actually used gemstones like these in a video that I've done before. It's my Christmas video. I have them on this little sheet right here, and I'm using these tweezers to pick them up. So I did 2 smaller ones, and then a medium one, and then a big one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am obsessed with this eye look. Look at how that looks. I love the little rhinestones, and I love the kind of like blending of the colors. Really happy with this look. It's kind of giving like mermaid vibes. Oh, that's a video idea. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.